When you go to the grocery store and you're looking at apples and you see an apple that's bruised, you're gonna pass over that apple. The problem is everybody does that. And so what does that result in? Wasted food.
Every store per day will generate about 600 to 700 pounds of food that they can't sell. That's a significant amount of food. And then when you scale that to 50,000 retailers across the country, it becomes such a significant scale that in many ways it's hard to grasp.
A third of all food that is produced worldwide is wasted. While at the same time you have lots of people who are food insecure both in the US and also globally, it makes absolutely no sense, right? It's scary and staggering, but it's also exciting because we do have the solutions available to be able to address this massive problem.
Divert is an impact technology company on a mission to protect the value of food. There are very disparate solutions out there and everybody is working towards solving this problem. But the difference is, how do you bring connectivity? How do you bring synergy amongst this data? How do you connect everything that's happening? That platform has to exist.
We're setting up the foundation to really see food waste prevention in action. See the numbers in terms of what we're able to drive in terms of food donations and feed more people. And then being able to produce renewable natural gas out of food waste and offset fossil fuels. Those three in and of themselves is pretty significant, and we are addressing each one of those.
We're starting to quantify things. We're starting to understand how big that issue really is. And then at the same time, we're actually doing something.
We're a technology company that is going back to the source, going back to the very roots of what it means to feed somebody.
I think solving the problem of food waste isn't just a one-dimensional thing. We can't just solve it at the end when the food's already been categorized as waste. We can start it before then. We can solve it before it even is a problem.
I have 3 young children and I want them to inherit an earth that's better than what I came into. And frankly, I'm concerned we're not on the right path. So I think we need really innovative solutions to tackle this problem and get back on track to where we should be.
We have no idea what the ultimate impact of us being here is going to be on the climate, and so we have to make responsible decisions.
Everybody talks about buy an electric car, fly less, eat less meat, those kind of things. But one of the biggest impacts that we have is the one that we don't see, which is what's in our trash.
Because of our position, because of our scale, because of our passion, we are the company to solve this problem.